Hey guys, Ricardo here and welcome to another blog tech tips. In today's tutorial guys, I'm going to show you how to rotate a photo. So let's say for example, I'm going to take a photo. Here I have my cool plant. So I'm going to take a shot of the plants. Alright, so in that case, we have now a photo. And the photo is set as such. Let's say I need, for whatever reason, to turn this photo upside down, or maybe it was taken one way and it's now turned on its side, whatever the case is. All right, so you're gonna hit the preferences here, which is the sliders. Then you're gonna go to crop. Now the crop and the rotation feature is built in. So to crop, it also rotates. So in order to rotate, tap on this one right here that shows here, and there you go. It has rotated it. So let's say I need to turn it on the side for whatever I'm going to use it for. Once you have turned it to the orientation you want, it done, and there you go. That's it. The photo is now set in a orientation that you like. All right, if for whatever reason you don't like it anymore and you want to change it back, you can hit revert to original. There you go. It's now back to its normal state, and that's how you do a total rotation in the iPhone 17. And this is the iPhone 17 Pro Max. All right, so hope that was useful. See you in the next one, guys. Bye.